Ever wondered how Xiaomi created their new Super Circle logo? The glossy glow, the smooth curvature, that premium vibe. You can actually recreate the whole effect right inside the Adobe Illustrator or the Figma. And the best part, you can turn it into a reusable graphics style. So with just one click, you can apply the Super Circle look to any shape or logo you design. In today's tutorial, I will walk through the exact step to build the effect from scratch. Clean, simple, and beginner friendly. So let's get started. So initially we can create this shape into the Figma. So I create a project in Figma. Now create the design. So here is our artboard. So we just need to create the super circle shape. So just need to pick a ellipse tool and draw the ellipse tool here. So here is our ellipse tool, and let's download the super circle shape from the Google. So here is the Xiaomi logo, which is also a super circle shape. So just copy the image and paste it here. Wow, this is so big. Let's reduce the size. So here is our shape. So we need to create the circle like this. So how can we create this? So initially you need to just double click here, and when you double click here, you see there is a 4 anchor point shown, right? So just when you select the whole circle, you can see there is a handle comes from to anchor point. So what should we do? Just add a ruler here and here, also here. I'll show you why I use this ruler. Okay, so this is the ruler. So and again double click the circle and press on the anchor point and press on the handle and just press the shift button and just drag it from middle to left. Again just click on this handle, press the shift button and just drag here, and again this one, press this one and you get these two handle, and just press on this one handle, just press on this handle. So don't select the two handle at once. So just pick the one and just press the shift and drag it here. Again just pick the single handle, then drag into the left. You see these two logo is almost same. So if I pick the color from here, you see both are the same, both are the same thing. Even if I change the color from here, the accuracy is 100%. Right? So this is the how we can create the super circle logo in Figma. So we can create it more dynamically in Illustrator. So let's go to the Illustrator and let's see how can we create this shape more dynamically, because Illustrator have a feature where you can create this shape more dynamically and look more attractive. So let's go to the Illustrator. So here is the Illustrator. Let's create a new file. Same here, we can pick the ellipse tool from here and press the shift button and draw a ellipse tool. Okay, let's stop the stock color and pick a new color. So let's see, you can create a purple color. So here is the shape. Let's little bit. Okay, here is the circle shape. So we need to create this into the super circle shapes. So initially we select the whole shape. After that we just go to the effect and go to warp. After that there is option here in flat. When we click the in flat, after that we just, so after that we can increase the blend mode value. So if we increase the blend mode value, you see the shape goes more dynamic. The normal circle converted to the super circle shape. So we can call it super circle shape. So you can use it in the UI or app mockup or menu bar, whatever you want. And here you can increase or decrease the ratio or the value according to your needs. So here 34 for me is fine. So every time horizontal and vertical value should be 0. And when after that I press the OK. See, when after that when I press the OK, see, it's not changing, right? The shape is not changing. So what should we do? Just select the shape. After that, go to the object, and so we can expand the appearance. When we expand the appearance, convert it to the full. So now it's converted to the solid shape. After that, we can rotate it in 90 degrees or 45 degrees. Then we get our desired shape. So this shape is more dynamic than we are created in Figma. I mean the Geomi logo. So Geomi logo is also a super circle shape, but this is more dynamic than Geomi circle. So let's compare this thing into the Figma. So let's copy it and paste in the Figma. So if we, you see, so this is not, this is not something like a MI logo. This is more dynamic than MI logo. Its call name is also super shape, but it is more dynamic super shape. I'm also using this is in my video. In the corner you see me. So this is also a super circle shape. So I was created this shape into the Adobe Illustrator and export and use my video. I hope you learned something new from this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share to your friends and family. Bye bye.